Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time here. My name is Keira Kang, founder of Modern Pianista. On this channel, we discuss all things regarding artistry, entrepreneurship, and music education. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Alicia Keys' iconic pop R&B hit, If I Ain't Got You. Here is a demo of the intro. So this tutorial is definitely for the intermediate and advanced piano player. If you're new to my channel, or you're new to the concepts of playing like a singer-songwriter, using chords, inversions, and arpeggios, I suggest you checking out some of my previous tutorials on my Modern Pianista Signature Exercises playlist, or my Piano for the Singer-Songwriter Producer playlist. I will link those in the description of this video. For those of you that are ready to start learning, let's go ahead and do it. So this is a beautiful song in the key of G. So let's go over the chords. So in the key of G, we have F sharp. This note is going to be sharped. Okay, she starts off with a C major 7. As you see, this is C, E, G, B. These are voicings split up between your two hands. C major 7, B minor 9, B, D, F sharp A minor 7, A, C, E, G, G major 7, G, B, D, F sharp. Okay, so let's go over that. You have, on your left hand, I'm going to start with left hand first because it's simpler. So your left hand is going to stay where it is with your thumb on C. Your 2 goes to B, your 3 goes to A, and your 4 goes to G. Now, in your right hand, you have the remaining notes of the chord. So for your C major 7, that's going to be G, B, E on 1, 2, 5. When you go to B, you have F sharp, A, D, also 1, 2, 5. So you're just descending, okay? Notice how when I came from C major 7 to B minor 9, I go and slide up. Okay, if you don't slide up, it feels really far away. Okay, I say this often because I see a lot of my students doing this. They're like, oh, they're trying so hard, right? And it's like, just slide up. It's really not that hard if you slide up, okay? So B minor 9 to A minor 7, we have A in the bass, E, G, C, again on fingers 1, 2, 5, and then we have D, F sharp, B, with your G in the bass, again fingers 1, 2, 5. So what makes this really stand out is that she arpeggiated these. So she went, and then from there she ascends back. This song is in 3/4 time signature, meaning we have 3 beats per measure. Alicia Keys uses a lot of triplets. A triplet is when one quarter note is broken up into 3 pieces. So one beat ends up being 3 notes. It's kind of like getting a cupcake and you're excited to eat that cupcake, and then you've got to cut the cupcake into 3 pieces because you have to share 2/3 of that cupcake with 2 other people, right? Think of it that way. You don't have more cupcakes, you just have 3 pieces of one cupcake. So I want to count these triplets out so you get used to hearing what they sound like. It goes triplet, triplet, triplet. We have 6 for every left hand note. Okay, so we're going to count how many sets. We're going to do 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet. Okay, so we're going to do that on the piano, and I'll count it out with you. Now, I understand that counting doesn't feel very fun sometimes, but you know, you have to push past it. Things are not going to be fun 100% of the time. It gets fun once you internalize it and once it becomes so simple for you that you aren't thinking about it. And you will get there if you play it enough, I promise. I don't count my triplets anymore. I just hear it. So that will happen for you if you work on it. Now, let's work on it together. We have our C major 7 chord. Let's do 6 sets of triplets on the right hand for this C note in your bass. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet. Let's go to B minor, 9. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet. A minor 7, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet. When you get to G, it's going to be different. We have 3 sets of triplets, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet. On the 4th one, change it to an octave, 4 triplet. Then the 5th and 6th triplet are going to be your way back up to C major 7. Okay, so you're coming back to A minor 7. For the 5th triplet. Then you come back up to the B minor 9 for the 6th triplet. Okay, so again we have 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet. Okay, now we're here, we're back at C with an octave on the left hand. Now she's increased the intensity, okay? So we have, just slightly. So we have 6 triplets with our C major 7 with an octave now. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet. We're gonna do our B minor 9. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet. On the 6th one, she gives you another change. She goes to a B flat minor 7 chord, okay? So we're coming from B minor 9. All you do is you move every finger down a half step. If you want to know the notes, it's B flat in the bass, F, A flat, D flat. But it's literally a half step. Every finger just goes down 1 half step. If you go down another half step, then you're at that A minor 7. Okay, so let's take it from the walk down on C. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 5 triplet, 6 triplet. And then when you get to your G, just roll it. So it's gonna go. If you're new to rolling, start out like that, and then eventually it'll turn into. Okay, it's a little bit of muscle control. And then I'll give you the transition because I love it. Okay, that goes into some people live for the fortune, right? So we have A minor, A, C, E, G, B, D. And she blessed us with some triads. Okay, not every chord has to be some crazy extended 9, 7 or 9, okay? All right, so that concludes the intro. So let me know how things are going in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.